We're back in Medical Lake at the place with the best baked goods in town. Although everyone who walks in can agree that the food is delicious, getting the name right is a little more difficult.
I don't know how to say it, but Lefevre?
Lefevre Street or Lefevre, depending on who you ask.
This is Lefevre Street.
Not exactly sure, but
I don't even know the name of it, honestly, to tell you the truth.
What is the official way to pronounce the name of your business?
The official way is Lefevre Street Bakery and Cafe.
Baker and owner Victoria Shoemaker recently took over the bakery. She's worked hard to keep customers coming back.
Lefevre is the most popular because that's how Google actually pronounces it if you're looking for directions. Lefevre is a popular one, and then intermittent variations, just crazy amount of variations.
I can just sit here and hang out for an hour or so, eat my meal, maybe do a little work stuff.
we're from a small town, so it felt more like home.
It's quiet, it's friendly. I feel like we're really getting to know a lot of the people that come in here.
I come down every morning, see friends I haven't seen for a long time.
I get in here as often as I can.
Real relaxed, real comfortable place to be.
This is a nice place to have a cup of coffee and talk about old times.
What are we gonna make today?
We are going to make a strawberry French toast with Clickerberries out of Walla Walla going on top of our cinnamon chip French toast.
Sounds delicious.
Yes, it is going to be, yeah.
So we're making a lot.
We're making a lot, yes, yes. So this batch right here will actually make us 6 to 7 loaves, depending on how well we measure.
Let's hope we measure well. Right. Okay, let's do it. We start by adding the ingredients into the bowl for mixing. We use 4 pounds of water and 1 cup of oil.
Do you find, like with baking, that it's best to really weigh stuff out?
Definitely, yes. If it's off a little bit, because it's packed more in the cup, when you get this huge batch with 25 cups of flour, it's going to be off by a lot. That's 7.5 pounds of flour.
Holy moly.
It's going to do a big puff when you drop it in there.
Okay.
Next, we add salt and yeast, making sure they don't touch in the bowl. Finally, we add some dough conditioner and sugar and mix it for 20 minutes.
You have to have some muscles for this job, don't you?
Build crazy upper body strength doing this.
After the dough is done mixing, we add the cinnamon chips and mix for another 2 minutes or so.
And you take it home?
I do. My kids absolutely love this bread. They eat it by the loaf.
Now we weigh the dough out and form it into a ball.
What's like the team's favorite thing?
We have what we call snack time. Yes. Something was messed up, or there's a little bit extra something.
Oh, yeah.
And we set it to the side. When they go on breaks, they get to snack.
I want to be here for snack time.
Yes, we love snack time.
After they've rested a bit, we form them into loaves.
Don't go so fast.
Oh, no. It's habit. It's habit.
I know, right? No, mine's a little chubby.
They do expand in the pan, so that actually looks wonderful.
Okay. Oh my gosh, look at those. See, little guys, that's what you're going to be in a minute.
I'm going to grow up.
Now we put them in pans, spray them with water, and put them in the proofer. Then we put them into the oven and use them to make some French toast.
So we're actually going to put strawberry, it's called a Clickerberry, out of Walla Walla, Washington.
Okay.
So they have bred these strawberries to taste like they've been sitting in syrup.
Wow, and so they're called Clickerberries?
Clickerberries, yeah.
I've never heard of that.
I didn't until I moved up here. So this is our finished French toast. Just going to have that right over the top, and we want a little bit of extra juice because we're not adding syrup.
Here's a fork for you.
Perfect.
You get that side, I get this side. And I love how you just keep it simple, because that's what people like. They have a tartness to them, but
but still
it's
the
like
same.
just right.
Yep, the
Because it works
perfect
with
sweetness. Yeah.
everything else. I mean, breakfast is the best meal of the day, right? Or we can have this for lunch and dinner.
Breakfast all day.
To get the recipe for Lefevre Street Bakery's Strawberry French Toast, visit wagrown.com.